Assalamu alaikum, this is Imrana and welcome to my channel Stitch with me. I hope everyone is doing great. Our today's tutorial is about gridding our Ida. Well, gridding is a way to make your fabric look more like your pattern chart, and in this technique we actually divide the fabric into 10 by 10 sections. After having a grid on our fabric, it is much easier to do counted cross stitch, and this actually reduces the chances of mistakes. I will just show you practically. Right now I have a graph chart with me. This is the pattern chart. Behind this pattern or design, you can see small squares, just like a graph. Well, these squares are 10 by 10 counted squares. Most of the times when we buy a new cross stitch kit, we get such kind of graph along with the Ada, and that Ada is actually marked with these squares. These squares help us to make our pattern more easily on the cloth, but sometimes they are not marked. If the pattern is small, they are usually not marked, but if we are working on a big size pattern, just like we are making some sceneries, for those we definitely need to have these gridding lines, because when we are handling or when we are working on the big project, we must need that gridding. And if you don't want to buy a cross stitch kit, you can actually make your gridding at home very easily. I will show you how. For that we need to have first of all this Ada with us, and we need to have a scale, a pencil, and a sharpener, of course, because we are going to make grid lines with the help of the pencil, and after making a couple of lines we need to sharp our pencil. So let's get started how to grid our Ada. First, see how many squares are on this. Okay, we have 11 squares on this vertical side, and horizontally we have 7 squares. So let's start making it. Okay, how do I need to make a line, or where should I make a line? Just be very careful, not in between the dots. We have to follow these dots and she'll make line like this. Okay, so let's see. After every count of 10 I will make a line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. If you see the first line, I have just followed the dots and made this line. Same way we are going to complete the rest of the lines. Yeah, it's now complete. So if you want to start, what my suggestion is, I always start from bottom up, because I use the technique going from left to right. But whatever you follow for the whole pattern, make sure the whole pattern should be followed left to right, otherwise you are going to lose the beauty of this cross stitch. After every cross stitch completion, I always give it a good wash. On this Ada we have used the lead pencil, so while washing we have to rinse it nicely twice or thrice and it will gone off, and later we can iron our Ada, and that's it. I hope you like this tutorial and will definitely found it helpful. And if you want to learn something more about cross stitch, any technique you want to learn, please do write me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.